Want to join this NFT blockchain craze too? Step in right away. With simple steps. Register on SelfieSign Autograph NFT official website. Choose your template, and get the signature from your favorite celebrity. Then upload it as an NFT. As the owner, you can choose to keep your digital asset, or you can auction your celebrity autograph on the NFT market. With each transaction, each party will get their commission. Each time a SelfieSign Autograph NFT is transacted in the market, a part of the profit will be contributed to our environment. If you are a fan, go ahead and register. A place for artists and creators. Express yourself and reach the entire world with your art by joining us. Let's take part in this digital asset world together.